Once we receive offers on your home, the real fun begins. While it can be stressful if the offers aren't what you were hoping for, don't worry, that's exactly why you hired a skilled negotiator like me. Hi, I'm Bonnie Fleshman, Associate Broker with Douglas Realty. Knowing how to negotiate effectively is key, not only in getting the highest possible price for your home, but also securing the best terms. When offers come in, we take several steps to ensure you're choosing the right one. We vet the buyer and the lender. We call the buyer's agent and the lender to confirm the buyer is fully qualified. We verify funds and ask key questions to assess how serious and motivated the buyer is. The buyer's agent is just as important as the buyer's qualifications. We evaluate the agent's experience and communication style to see how smoothly the transaction is likely to go. Once we've gathered the information, we'll meet with you to review each offer. We'll walk you through the pros and cons of each, and ultimately, the final decision is yours. We'll provide advice and recommendations to help you make the best choice. If you have multiple offers, here's what we do. If we receive multiple offers, we'll send an offer deadline and send out a counteroffer to all buyers asking them to submit their highest and best. This process typically leads to better offers and terms since we're choosing from the cream of the crop. After reviewing the new offers with you, we'll help you decide whether to accept an offer or send a counteroffer. Once both parties agree to terms then you're officially under contract. What's next? From here, the timeline to close will depend on the type of transaction. With a loan, closing typically takes about 30 days. With cash, 3 days, but 7 days a little bit more realistic. Sometimes you don't want to close that fast, and that's one of the terms that you can negotiate. To learn what happens next and what to expect during the closing process, check out my next video. I'm Bonnie Fleshman with Douglas Realty for the best move of your life.